My name is Ignacio Alaniz Jr., Director of Construction Management with United Independent School District with a bond construction update. Veterans Memorial Elementary School at Chelito Lindo subdivision, located immediately south of Lamar Bruni Vergara Middle School. This state-of-the-art facility, a little over 100,000 square feet, and includes features such as a concreted courtyard at the center of the building with a shaded amphitheater classroom. Another feature that we are very proud of in this new design is the security station, which is located at the main entrance of the building, ensuring safety and security for all students and parents. Some of the interior amenities included in this new program is the flat panel screen, which every classroom is equipped with and accessible to the students and teachers. Currently under construction at around 20% completion is the new 9th grade campus at United South High School. This facility is a little over 200,000 square feet, and it's a 2-story structure. Also under construction is the new United High School 9th grade campus, which is directly north of the existing United High School, and that structural well is over 200,000 square feet and around 20% completion. Also under construction is Elementary School 28, which is currently in the site work phase and building pad phase. This project is also over 100,000 square feet and located off Highway 359 and projected for completion in August of 2017. The middle school project, which is a little over 200,000 square feet, is also at the site work phase and projected for completion August 2017, also located off of Highway 359.